the ZANU-PF leadership has moved to shut down the growing trend of party figures distributing vehicles, declaring that only President Mnangagwa will be allowed to hand over cars on behalf of the party from now on. Sarabina mashoko branch bachinzi ZANU-PF Politburo blocks Canada from donating motor vehicles. Double subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Jimina on more branch commissions. This decision, insiders say, is aimed at stopping internal power maneuvers by individuals seen as trying to elevate their political profiles. In recent months, car handovers had become almost routine within the ruling party, with the senior members and institutions receiving free vehicles regularly. But according to officials familiar with the last week's discussions, Mnangagwa intervened to halt what had become a divisive and highly politicized practice. Well-known business personalities including Tagwirei and Chivhayo had previously poured hundreds of vehicles into various ZANU-PF structures, from the Politburo and Central Committee to the Women's League, before the new directive stopped all such private donations. The restriction was formally endorsed during a series of high-level meetings held in Harare last week, involving the Politburo Central Committee and the National Consultative Assembly. According to the party sources, ZANU-PF National Chairperson Chivhayo was the first to raise the issue in the Politburo, insisting the party needed to reaffirm a single, uncontested center of authority. She reportedly warned that some individuals were trying to use their financial muscle to buy influence. After Comrade Muchunguri Kashiri's proposal, the Politburo agreed that ZANU-PF welcomes high-wealth individuals into its membership and structures, more so as the economy shows clear signs of growth and prosperity. But from now on, should there be any interest to support the party, it is also most welcome, but such largesse should be channeled through only the president of the party as one center power. The Politburo affirmed that there is one center of power in ZANU-PF, and it is President Mnangagwa, after the chairperson vehemently advocated for the one center of power. The party adopted the proposal after noting that vehicle and money donations were now dividing the party. Doma Shukaripo. Budze mfunguro enyi kuti pamsoro aiwape kublokiwa kuti Tagwirei na Chivhayo kunzi vasangodonata mari pamwechete nemotor vehicles privately, but they must come through the president. Document section medu, subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.